Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Volume Education Academy. Today we will start noun number. So in this chapter we are going to read how to change singular into plural. So there are many rules that how to change compound nouns, how to change x, ch words, how to change some other words. So we are going to read all these rules in this chapter. So let us start with the first rule. So first thing first, what is a noun number? Noun number क्या होता है? So nouns can be classified on the basis of their number. Nouns को हम number के basis पे दो types में divide करते हैं. First is your countable noun and second one is your uncountable noun. Countable noun is a noun in which we can count. Noun we can count. Okay, like what we can count, there are many things we can count like paper and your chair, daughter, sister, cap, eraser, bottle. We can count these things. Okay, so these are your countable noun, and another one is your uncountable noun. Uncountable noun are the nouns which we cannot count, like your advice, information, water, rice, milk, snow, rubbish, luggage. Okay, so now we will see how to change plurals. Okay, forming plural nouns. So rule 1. So rule 1, in rule 1, what has been written? Add s at the end of the word. So in this table we will study about that there are few words we change their singular into plural by adding s. For example, record. Record का plural हम कैसे बनाएंगे? Records. Flower, flowers. Holiday, holidays. Then rule number 2. Rule number 2 says nouns ending in s. Listen carefully. What does this rule says? This rule says nouns ending in s, double s, x, ch, sh. How we change into plural? By adding es. By adding es, we change their singular into plural. Okay, so we will see the table below and we will be able to change singular into plural. So first one is bus. Okay, so bus का हम कैसे change करते हैं? Bus ends with s, right? तो हमने पढ़ा था the word which ends with s, so we will change into es. बस का हो जाएगा आपका buses. Glass, double s word, it is double s word, so how we will change? We will change into glass के end में हम add कर देंगे es, so it will be glasses. Then box, it ends with x, so how we will change? Boxes, boxes, boxes. Then we have another bench, bench, bench. So how we will make plural of these words? By adding es, so benches. Then brush, brush, brush. So we will change, how we will change? By adding es. Okay, so that's how we will change singular into plural, the words which ends with s, double s, x, ch and sh. Understood? Now rule number 3. What does this rule number 3 says? That nouns ending with vowel o add es. Okay, so जो noun आपके end हो रहे हैं o से, right? Like tomato. So how we will change? We will change by adding es after o. Okay, like tomato. Tomato ends with o, so we will change es. We will add es, so it will change into plural, tomatoes. Then we have hero, it ends with o, vowel o. How we will change? We will change by adding es, heroes. Then mosquito, how we will change? It ends with o, so we will change by adding es after o. Then it will become mosquitoes. Understood? So this is the rule. But there are some words which are exceptionals also. So let us see the exceptions also. That some endings o, some words end with o, but what we add? We only add s to it. Like video. Video ends with o, right? But we add only s, videos. Then photo ends with o, but we add only s, that is photos. Piano ends with O. We add only S. That is pianos. Okay. So this is your exceptional case in this rule that we read. Like nouns end with vowel O. जो nouns आपके O से end होते हैं, हम उसमें क्या करते हैं, हम उसमें es डाल देते हैं, and that's how it will change into plural, right? But यहाँ पर exception भी थे, exception वाले हमारे words ये वाले थे. Now, rule number 4. Rule number 4 says nouns ending in Y. Nouns ending in Y, remove Y and add IES. वो nouns जो Y से end हो रहे हैं, as you can see, हम उसको plural कैसे करेंगे? We will make their plural by adding IES to it, like family. So we will remove Y, and in place of Y we will add IES to it. Okay, you can see here family, how we will change by adding ES, families. Okay, next is gallery. Next is your gallery. We will remove Y and we will add IES, and that's how we will make the word gallery into galleries. Then army, we will remove Y and we will add IES to it to make it plural. Okay, so this is your rule number 4. I hope you all have got this. Now come to another rule. Okay, now we will come to rule number 5. Okay, so बेटा जो आपका rule number 5 है वो क्या कहता है, that nouns ending in F, वो noun जो आपके F से end होते हैं या FE से end होते हैं, we will add VES and remove F और FE. ठीक है, जो वर्ड आपके F से एंड होते हैं या FE से एंड होते हैं तो हम उनका प्लूरल कैसे बनाते हैं? वी मेक प्लूरल बाय रिमूविंग F. हम F को हटा देते हैं और उसकी जगह हम क्या ऐड कर देते हैं? VES. लाइक योर काफ, CALF, काफ, वी विल रिमूव F and we will add VES and we will make plural of this word. Okay, so we will see what are the words that comes under this category. So first one is loaf. So how we will make plural? By removing F. हमने F हटाया and we have added VES in place of F and it will become loaves. Loaf का loaves. Shelf. Shelf में भी we will remove F and we will add VES to make it plural. So shelf का क्या बन जाएगा? Shelves. Then we have calf, CALF, calf. How we will remove F and add VES and it will become calves. Wolf, wolf का भी हम F remove करेंगे and we will add VES and it will change into your plural. Then we have life, LIFE, life. How we will change? We will change by removing FE, right? This is a word which we have FE वाला. So FE में भी हम FE remove कर देंगे और in place of FE we will add VES to make it plural. जैसे life, तो it will become lives. Then we have leaf, LEAF, leaves. How we will make plural? By removing F and adding VES. Leaf का क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Leaf का हो जाएगा आपका leaves. Okay. Then there are also exceptional case. There are some words which are exceptional. So let us see these words. So कुछ words जो आपके F और FE से end होते हैं, but we have to just add S to it, not to remove F and add VES. Okay, what are these words? These are some words like brief. Brief का plural कैसे बनाएंगे आप? By adding S. Directly we have to add S. We don't require to remove F and add VES in these words. कौन कौन से हैं वो words? Brief. Brief का plural briefs by adding S. Cliff. Cliff का plural cliffs. Giraffe. 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 By adding ES only we will make plural and it will become giraffes. Okay. I hope आपको यहाँ तक समझ आ रहा होगा. We will come to another rule and you will learn some new words there. So rule number 6. Okay. Look there, rule number 6. Rule number 6 says irregular plurals, okay, vowel change inside the word. These are some words जिसमें आप क्या करते हैं, ये वाले जो ये रूल नंबर 6 में आप यहाँ पर टू मेक इट प्लूरल वी चेंज दी वर्ड्स हियर, वी चेंज सम वर्ड्स हियर. लाइक सिंगुलर MAN होता है, प्लूरल क्या हो जाता है MEN. व्हाट इज द प्लूरल ऑफ मैन? मेन. मैन का मैन, MAN मैन, MEN मैन. ओके. वुमेन का वुमेन, WOMAN woman, WOMEN woman. Okay. Then goose, GOOSE goose. Goose का plural we add E in place of O, geese. Then tooth, tooth का plural हो जाता है आपका teeth. Then mouse, mouse का plural हो जाता है आपका mice. Then we have foot, foot का plural हो जाता है feet. So we can see we are changing some words here and we change it into plural. Foot का हो जाता है feet, child का हो जाता है आपका children. Okay, you can see all these words. Man का men, woman का women, goose का geese, tooth का teeth, mouse का mice, foot का feet, child का children. Understood? Now rule number 7. Same form in singular and form, singular and plural. Now we we will read about some words that do not change. ठीक है, वो singular में भी ऐसे ही रहते हैं, plural में भी ऐसे ही रहते हैं. What are these words? These are your deer, species and aircraft. Okay. Next up, there are some more words which you might have seen, like hair का हमेशा क्या रहता है? Hair. Hair का we don't add hairs, hair होता है, it is always hair. Fish का always fish. Sheep, sheep. Swine, swine. Offspring, offspring. Moose, moose. Okay, so these are your words which do not change their form. If they are in singular they will be like this, and if they are in plural they will be like this. Okay, then comes your rule 8. Rule 8 says noun that exist only in singular or only in plural form. ये कुछ noun हैं जो हमारे सिर्फ singular form में ही exist करते हैं, चाहे वो आपके many हो, बहुत सारे हो. These always comes in singular. Like information. Information ज़्यादा हो, कम हो, बहुत ज़्यादा हो, it doesn't matter. It is always information. चाहे ज़्यादा information हो तो भी आप बोलोगे information, चाहे कम information हो, एक इंफॉर्मेशन है तभी भी आप इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है देन it is also your information. It doesn't change into plural form. Then your baggage. Baggage भी कभी भी baggages नहीं होता है, it is always baggage. Then furniture. Furniture भी कभी भी furnitures नहीं होता है, हमेशा furniture. Then your news. News is always in this form, never into a plural form. Okay. Then कुछ words हमने देखे जो हमेशा क्या रहते हैं, these words are always in plural form. Like your scissors. These are your pairs. ठीक है, pairs वाली things होती हैं mainly, ये वाले इस कैटेगरी में जो pairs में पाई जाती हैं. Like your scissors. Scissors are in pair ना, 1 2 scissors. Then sunglasses. Sunglasses are also in pair. Then trousers. Trousers are also in pairs. Then binoculars. Binoculars are also in pairs. So these are always in plural form. You will never say scissor or sunglass or trouser or binocular. These are always like this: scissors, sunglasses, trousers and binoculars. Okay. Then rule number 9. Okay, see this rule. This is the last rule we have. This rule is for compound nouns. Okay, compound noun. What is a compound noun? When two nouns form one noun. Okay, so कंपाउंड नाउन में बताया गया है बेटा, हाउ वी विल चेंज सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल. वी विल चेंज सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल बाय एडिंग एस to the principal word. Okay, like commander in chief is there, so commander is a principal word, so we will add s to this word to make it plural. Understand? Then we have man of war. So how we will change? We will change men of war. MAN. So we will change MEN. यहाँ पर बोला जा रहा है कि आपको प्रिंसिपल वर्ड चेंज करने हैं टू मेक इट प्लूरल. अंडरस्टूड? लाइक daughter-in-law. So daughters-in-law, not daughter-in-laws. Okay, daughters-in-law is correct. Then son-in-law, sons-in-law. How we change? We are changing the principal word, that is the son. Son में हमने क्या लगाया? S to make it a plural form. Okay. So now we can just see the quick recap. So rule 1 says that by adding S, we change singular into plural. So these are the words. Then rule 2 says that in words like S, double S, X, CH and SH, we add ES to change into plural form. Then rule third says that vowels या nouns ending with O, जो O से end हो रहे हैं, आप उसको क्या करते हैं? उसमें ES लगाते हैं to change into plural. Okay, then we have rule 3. Rule 3 says there are exceptions also like video, photo, pianos in which we don't add ES, we only add S to make it plural. Then we have rule 4. Rule 4 says that जो nouns आपके Y से end हो रहे हैं, we have to remove Y and add IES to change it into plural. Okay, then we have rule 5. Rule 5 says that the words end with F, FE, we add VES and remove F to make it into a plural form. Okay, then we have the exceptional case also like brief, cliff and giraffe. Then rule number 6 are the vowels change inside the words. ये इसमें क्या होंगे? Words के अंदर जो vowels होंगे ना, that will be changed to make it into plural. Okay, then we have same form in singular and plural. ये words जो हैं singular और plural में same रहते हैं like deer, species, aircraft. Then we have nouns that exist only in singular or only in plural. ये वो वाले nouns हैं या तो वो singular में ही पाए जाएंगे या तो only plural में ही. Like your information, baggage, furniture, news, scissors, sunglasses, trousers, binoculars. Then we have rule 9, compound noun. Compound noun में आप plural कैसे करोगे? We make plural only of the principal word. Okay, so this is for today. We will continue another topic in another class. Jai Hind.